Hi there! Today I'd like to discuss how to prevent students from opening too many Chrome tabs using xFanatical SafeDock. Allowing students to open too many Chrome tabs can lead to distractions, reduced focus, slower device performance, and difficulty staying engaged with learning activities. That's where SafeDock comes for the rescue. xFanatical SafeDock helps schools limit the number of Chrome tabs students can open, reducing distractions and improving device performance. By controlling tab usage, administrators can create a more focused, organized, and productive digital learning environment. Getting started is a breeze. Go to Chrome Web Store page, search for SafeDock, then click Add to Chrome to add this extension. Once it is installed, simply enable the Limit Browser Tabs policy and set its value as per the requirement to easily remove the option of opening too many tabs in Chrome. Apply for a 30-day free trial and experience the full capabilities of SafeDock. To know more, please visit xfanatical.com.